by-poll results today. The Congress has won Kerala's Nilambur seat, and we understand this seat that was with the LDF earlier has been taken away by the Congress party here. We understand Priyanka Gandhi also had actively campaigned for the by-polls here in Kerala, and Aam Aadmi Party, we are now learning, has retained the seat in Gujarat. AAP's Gopal Italia has won by over 17,000 votes, and the BJP has also retained one Gujarat seat. We will try and get more details about this in just a bit. What's happening in Punjab also in connection with the by-polls that were held in Punjab, my colleague Gurpreet is getting us more on that. All right, Gurpreet is joining us live on the broadcast. My colleague Uma Sudhir also joining us here on the broadcast. Let me go across to Gurpreet first. Gurpreet, Aam Aadmi Party, we understand, has been leading in the Punjab seat. What's the update now?
Well, what we have learned, Aam Aadmi Party has already won this by-poll with a margin of 10,637 votes. We have seen the Congress was able to retain its second position. Earlier, we have seen in the initial counting rounds, we have seen BJP was leading and Congress was trailing at that time. But now we have seen after first or three rounds, Aam Aadmi Party was able to maintain its lead that has been started from since first round, and we have seen BJP was not able to maintain second position, but finally we have seen the Congress was able to get a second position, and now a few minutes back we have seen the result has already been declared, and what we have learned with the margin of 10,637 votes, Aam Aadmi Party is able to win this election. This election was very, very crucial for all other parties, whether it's the opposition parties or the ruling party, because we have seen all the leaders, whether they are sitting in the opposition or in the ruling party, they were saying it's a semi-final of 2027 election. But today we have seen Aam Aadmi Party leader, they were dancing on Bhangra, dancing on Dole tunes, saying that they have already won this semi-final. That means they are able to make a way for the 2027 elections. So how this celebration is being made in Aam Aadmi Party office, how all the leaders are celebrating this victory, let's see.
All right.
After making a victory in Ludhiana by-poll elections, we have seen the Aam Aadmi Party leader, they are celebrating their victory. They are saying it seems the way we are able to get people's mandate, it shows the people have already accepted their policies, their governance also, and for the last so many years they have been working for the people, but at this point of time, specifically when by-polls are happening in Ludhiana and in Ludhiana West, they are able to make a mark in state politics. It seems the people have given full mandate, and we can see on the dole beats, all the leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, they have been dancing on dole tunes, and they are trying to celebrate this time because they feel the way they have been contesting this by-poll, a lot of questions which are being raised by the opposition leaders and the opposition party to just divert the election issue. No, but now we have seen they have got full mandate, and we can see these ministers of Aam Aadmi Party, they have been performing Bhangra on these dole beats, and we are showing all these visuals from the ground at this point of time. How the celebration is going to be taken place in Chandigarh Aam Aadmi Party office, and they are saying they are able to get a public mandate, and that was one of the reasons why they are celebrating this day, and they feel it seems the people have already accepted all the governance, the performance which has been made by Aam Aadmi Party during the last years, and now the way we have seen this mandate which they have just got from people of all the Ludhiana constituency, it gives the approval of all the policies and all the policy which has been made by Aam Aadmi Party, and that was one of the reasons why they are able to win this election. With Vijay, Rajesh Kumar, this is Gulshan China for NDTV, Chandigarh.